Signals and indicators in binary options trading are essential tools that help traders make informed decisions by predicting price movements. Signals are alerts or notifications suggesting the best times to buy or sell an asset, often based on technical analysis or market trends. These signals can be generated manually by professional analysts or automatically through algorithms and trading bots. Indicators, on the other hand, are mathematical calculations based on historical price data, volume, or momentum. They provide visual representations on trading charts to help traders identify trends, reversals, and potential entry and exit points. Popular indicators in binary options trading include moving averages, relative strength index, RSI, and MACD. Moving averages help smooth out price fluctuations, showing the overall trend direction. For example, if the 50-day moving average crosses above the 200-day moving average, it indicates a bullish trend, signaling traders to consider call options. RSI measures the speed and change of price movements, helping traders identify overbought or oversold conditions. When RSI is above 70, it suggests overbought conditions, and a price reversal may occur, signaling a potential opportunity for a put option. Conversely, when RSI is below 30, it indicates oversold conditions, suggesting a call option. MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence, shows the relationship between two moving averages. Traders look for MACD line crossovers to identify trend changes. For example, when the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it's a bullish signal, whereas a cross below indicates a bearish trend. Combining multiple indicators can provide more accurate signals. For instance, confirming an RSI overbought signal with a MACD bearish crossover increases the reliability of a put option. Additionally, support and resistance levels are commonly used in binary trading to identify price reversal points. When the price approaches a resistance level, it may reverse downward, signaling a put option. Conversely, approaching a support level may lead to an upward reversal, signaling a call option. In binary options trading, signals are often time-sensitive due to the short expiry times. Therefore, quick decision-making and disciplined execution are crucial. Some traders subscribe to professional signal services for real-time alerts, while others rely on automated trading bots that execute trades based on preset indicators. However, it's important to remember that no signal or indicator guarantees success, as market conditions can change rapidly. Effective risk management, including setting stop-loss and take-profit levels, is essential to minimize losses. In conclusion, signals and indicators are valuable tools in binary options trading, providing traders with insights into price movements and helping them make strategic trading decisions. By combining multiple indicators and maintaining a disciplined approach, traders can improve their chances of success in binary options trading.